Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to delete Facebook Marketplace listing. So I'm going to do this on my desktop. So first you have to log in your Facebook account here. And then what you're going to do is you have to look for settings and privacy. So you have to click settings and privacy here. Now under settings and privacy, what you're going to do next is you have to look for activity log. So let me tap this one first. Settings and privacy, tap settings. Now on the left side or on the left panel, what you're going to do is you have to look for activity log. Okay, so scroll down here till you see activity log. Okay, activity log is I think under your activity. So you have to scroll down here. Below payments, you can see here your activity. So you have to tap this one and click activity log. Now under activity log, you can see different options and features here, but what you're going to do is to click this your Facebook activity. So tap this arrow facing down, and then below here you can see this Facebook Marketplace. So when you tap this one, you will see here including the marketplace listing. So you have to click this one and you will see here all the listings here on your marketplace. Now what you're going to do is to simply click that three dots. If you see that, for example, this one right here, click three dots and then click delete. So you have to do this one by one. Delete listing. You could also select a specific date for that, from what date you want to delete your marketplace listing. Okay, so you just have to do it one by one till you delete all your marketplace listing here. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.